Yeah, I think that's.
You have another whiff, Nader.
I think that's the closest they've ever been.
I think Jinxie just ruined her buzz.
I know.
And Nader's like, fuck. Jinxie's still like,
there we go.
Jinxie's still like, shit, guys, that was awesome.
So, these things remind me of octopus arms.
Why?
It's just like...
Oh, shit. These friends, douchebags. And it's like, what?
Friends who get high together. What? Oh yeah. Yeah,
Is
you
it
love
like
it,
George
don't
Bush
you?
and Harold and Kumar?
Practically.
We need to leave Jinxie alone though, because she's cleaning herself.
She does that when she gets high.
Yeah.